Alright, so today we're doing the Insta360 X3. Just got it. So we got here 5.7K 360 capture, 72 megapixel 360 photo, invisible selfie stick, a 360 degree horizon lock, waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters. Then we got voice control, HDR, a 4K single lens mode. And of course, you have your AI powered editing. So we get right on this, open this up. Ooh, looking nice. That's a good size. Yeah, don't, oh, there we go, power on. Go English, thank you. Go, download the app, but, well, you know what, I'll do that later on in another video. See what this comes with. Oh, looks pretty good. It's a bit bigger than I thought it would be, but not too heavy, which is probably a bonus. Don't eat the silica. It's like a carry bag. Yeah, good size, nice padding on it. Tighter than you want. Huh. Pretty good, fits. That'll go right in your pocket. Take it anywhere. Charging cable. This would be, let's see, I think this is the lens cleaner, which you should, reading all the videos or watching all the videos about this, make sure you have your lens clean. Whether you're riding in water, dust, whatever, just make sure you always got this on you to clean your lens, because it'll pick up everything, I have heard. Stickers in case you need to advertise it. Put it on your forehead. Not sure. Quick start guides. Waterproofing. Let's go to 33 feet. And that's without that special cover that you can buy. So if you actually go to Insta360, they're having 23% off right now. So it actually works out. It's normally 600. Comes down, I think it was 567. So you get the Invis stick here, which is pretty good. Good solid. Extends pretty good. This one here even has the tripod. Stand it up. Screw it in and ready to go. So we're going to have a lot of fun with this. I'll put more videos out when I actually get footage on it. Thanks for watching.